going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. I affectionately refer to myself as the original student of the game of internet marketing. If that's too much to remember, guys, just consider me a problem solver, okay? Anyway, I want to thank you guys, first and foremost, for opting in to my Cash Alchemy website, okay? Now, let's get right into the video, guys, because you opted into a page that looks like this. And what I want to talk about, right, is how you can actually start having people pay you anywhere from between $5,000 and $10,000 for work and services you don't even actually have to do, okay? So let's talk about that, guys. And so I want you guys to understand this, and I want you to keep an open mind while you're listening to the sound of my voice and you're watching this video. Believe it or not, guys, you probably have a skill or a set of skills, right, that you can make extra income using that skill working from home, right from the comfort of your home, right, or from anywhere that you want, to be honest, right? And you probably don't even know it. Right? I'm going to say that again real slow. You probably already possess a skill or a set of skills, right, that you could actually use to start making money working from the comfort of your own home or from anywhere that you like, anywhere that you desire. Then again, you could be an individual who maybe don't really think you have any skills at all, right? You could be an individual who don't feel like you have any skills. It doesn't matter, guys. I got you covered, okay? Whether you have any skills or not. Let's talk about Cash Alchemy, guys, and how to have people with cash in hand ready to pay you between $5,000 and $10,000 for work and services you don't even actually have to perform, right? Let's read that again real slow. How to have people with cash in hand lining up, really, literally ready to pay you between $5,000 to $10,000 for work and services you don't even actually have to perform. What do I mean by that, guys? Well, that's what Cash Alchemy is all about, guys. First, you get yourself set up, right, with a free site that you guys are going to learn a little bit more about in a video below this video, okay? That's step number one. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, guys, following that direction, right? You're gonna have everything you need to get started right now today, absolutely free. Is you're gonna start posting the jobs that people are telling you they need done. Now, here's the kicker, guys. Remember, whether you have the skill and the skill set to perform these particular jobs or not, we're gonna show you guys how you can actually have those particular tasks outsourced by someone else and still collect between $5,000 and $10,000 and anywhere in between, having these particular jobs, these services that people need done by other people, and you're simply going to be working as the middleman, collecting cash commissions anywhere and everywhere between. So what I want you guys to do, because I don't want to take a lot of your time, right below this video, you're going to find another video that's going to talk a little bit more about Cash Alchemy and how you can have people with cash in hand ready to pay you between $5,000 and $10,000 for work and services you don't even have to perform. This is beautiful. You can do it from anywhere that you want, right? Whenever you want, part-time or full-time, from anywhere in the world. With that being said, guys, go on, check the video out below this video, and you guys will actually get all of the information you need to start doing that right now today. If you want to know a little bit more about me, guys, who I am and exactly what it is I do, check your inbox, right? You'll find a welcome email from Marlon@gmail.com, so you can learn a little bit more about me. And if this is not something that sparks your interest, you can figure out exactly what I do on a daily basis, right, to make money online using automated marketing systems and sales funnels. So check your inbox. P.S. And by the way, if you're finding me on YouTube, right, or you're finding me on Facebook and you want more information about the Cash Alchemy, hit me up at Marlon@gmail.com and ask me to send you the information that you can learn a little bit more about how to have people with cash in hand ready to pay you between $5,000 and $10,000 for work and services you don't even have to perform. them. Anyway, guys, that's my spiel. I appreciate you guys being on the video. Watch your inbox for my emails, and I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.